Learn and Grow presents nutritious foods that are high in vitamin D. Vitamin D is necessary for calcium absorption in your body. This plays a key role in maintaining bone strength and skeletal integrity. Getting enough of both vitamin D and calcium is crucial to maintaining bone health and protecting against disorders like osteoporosis, a condition that is characterized by weak, brittle bones. Interest in vitamin D and its role in our overall health journey is growing. We know that vitamin D affects many bodily functions, including bone health. Research also suggests that low vitamin D levels may be a risk factor for autoimmune diseases. Many people don't get enough vitamin D. It's hard to know how many people are deficient because experts are still debating about what target levels should be. Research suggests that about 24% of people in the United States are vitamin D deficient. Other areas of the world may have higher rates of deficiency. It's estimated that in Europe, about 40% of the population has vitamin D deficiency. Our bodies produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. There are a few reasons why it's hard to get enough vitamin D this way. That's why getting vitamin D from food or supplements is best. Here are some foods below rich in vitamin D. Number 1. Salmon. Wild salmon typically contains more vitamin D than farmed salmon, but both are good sources of vitamin D in a 3.5-ounce serving. Farmed salmon contains around 66% of the divide, and wild salmon can contain up to 160% of the divide. Number 2. Herring and sardines. Herring is a fish eaten around the world. It is often smoked or pickled. This small fish is also a great source of vitamin D. Herring contains 214 IU of vitamin D per 3.5-ounce serving. Pickled herring, sardines, and other fatty fish, such as halibut and mackerel, are also good sources. Number 3. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 seconds may play a role in heart health and may reduce inflammation in the body. Along with fatty fish, cod liver oil is another source of these fatty acids. If you don't eat fish, it can be hard to get enough omega-3 in your diet. Number 4. Canned tuna. Many people enjoy canned tuna because of its flavor and easy storage methods. It is typically cheaper than buying fresh fish. Canned light tuna packs up to 269 IU of vitamin D in a 3.5-ounce serving, which is 34% of the divide. Mercury is a heavy metal found in many types of fish. Bigger types of fish contain more mercury than smaller ones. The amount of mercury in canned tuna depends on the type of tuna. Light canned tuna comes from smaller fish and is lower in mercury. White canned tuna is higher in mercury. Over time, methylmercury can build up in your body. In some cases, it can lead to serious health concerns. Number 5. Egg yolks. Fish are not the only source of vitamin D. Whole eggs are another good source, as well as a wonderfully nutritious food. Most of the protein in an egg is found in the white, and the fat, vitamins, and minerals are found mostly in the yolk. The yolk from one large egg contains 37 IU of vitamin D, or 5% of the divide. A few factors affect the vitamin D level of egg yolks. Number 6. Mushrooms. Other than fortified foods, mushrooms are the only sufficient non-animal source of vitamin D. Like humans, mushrooms can synthesize vitamin D when exposed to UV light. However, mushrooms produce vitamin D2, whereas animals produce vitamin D3. Though vitamin D2 helps raise blood levels of vitamin D, it may not be as effective as vitamin D3. Some wild mushrooms are excellent sources of vitamin D2 because of their exposure to UV light. Marls are a type of mushroom that grows in the wild. 1 cup of these mushrooms contains 136 IU of vitamin D, which is 17% of the divide. Number 7. Vitamin D fortified foods. Foods such as cow's milk, soy milk, orange juice, cereals, and oatmeal are sometimes fortified with vitamin D. We'll need to check the labels to find out the vitamin D content, as it can vary widely. If the product is not fortified, It won't be a source of vitamin D. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell, and also check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.